What will happen to your body if you eat an avocado every day? The avocado is a unique fruit with multiple nutritional benefits. Numerous studies continue to show its incredible effects on our appearance and health. So what if you ate just one avocado a day? How would your body respond? And would the results really be that amazing? We'll answer all those questions and more in this video, so keep watching. But before we get into all the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now you won't miss a thing. Number 9. Your breath will be fresh at all times. The primary cause of bad breath is indigestion and an upset stomach. But there will be no more of that once you make an avocado part of your daily menu. This fruit has antibacterial and antioxidant flavonoids, which kill bacteria in your mouth and make your breath fresh. It's so good at doing its job that it may even prevent oral cancer. Yes, you heard us correctly. Scientists from Ohio State University conducted a study, and it showed that nutrients from Hass avocados can thwart oral cancer cells, not only killing them, but also preventing precancerous cells from developing into full cancers. So we suggest it's time to throw your breath freshener away and replace it with a delicious avocado. Number 8. Your kidneys will work more efficiently. There's a miraculous mineral to be found in avocados: potassium. Remember its name. We'll talk about it a bit later. Anyway, potassium helps your system keep a healthy fluid balance through chemical channels for cells and organs. A good fluid balance allows your kidneys to function better. That's why avocados are highly recommended for patients with kidney disease. But there's one small exception. If you suffer from hyperpotassemia, you should stay as far away from avocados as you possibly can. The high amount of potassium contained in this fruit is dangerous for you and can lead to all kinds of unnecessary health problems. If you don't have this condition but are still doubtful as to whether you should add avocados to your diet or not, consult your doctor to get the whole picture and find out all the details. Number 7. Your cholesterol and triglyceride levels will decrease. High cholesterol or triglyceride levels are never good, but what matters most is that cholesterol and triglyceride markers are linked to increased risk of heart disease. Not exactly good news, right? But that's when avocados come to the rescue once again. There are two types of cholesterol: low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, which can form plaques in your arteries, and high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, which behaves way better in your system by transporting excess cholesterol to your liver, which later removes it from your body. Specialists from Mexico conducted a study that showed how eating avocados regularly lowers the bad LDL cholesterol and blood triglycerides by up to 22% and increases the good HDL cholesterol by up to 11%. Just one more reason to fall in love with avocados. Number 6. Your liver will function more efficiently. Health concerns regarding the liver can be hard to solve, but let's be real. Nothing is impossible for avocados. This fruit is actually one of the best products for a liver-friendly diet, and that's all thanks to its ability to help your body produce glutathione. The liver desperately craves this antioxidant to filter out harmful substances and protect its cells from damage. Avocados also contain vitamin C and E, a powerful combination that can neutralize free radicals in no time, protecting your liver even more. Vitamin E can also team up with vitamin K, also found in avocados, to quell cellular inflammation. So one small avocado can truly be your liver's protector against a surprisingly wide variety of conditions and all things evil. A true jack of all trades of the fruit world. Number 5. Your blood pressure will become lower. If you suffer from high blood pressure, avocados should be your best friends at all times. Remember the potassium that we talked about earlier? Its ability to regulate the fluid balance benefits your blood pressure too. In this case, potassium prevents osteoporosis and, most importantly, lowers your blood pressure. This was confirmed by many studies, including one conducted by the Department of Physiological Sciences at the Federal University of Espírito Santo in Vitória, Brazil. The final results were quite impressive. People who consumed mostly potassium-rich foods had systolic blood pressure that was 6 mmHg lower and diastolic blood pressure that was 4 mmHg lower. So, if you're still looking for menu changes that might lower your blood pressure, avocados should be at the top of your list. Number 4. Your vision will improve. Your eye health is closely connected to your overall well-being, which in turn significantly depends on what you eat. And out of all the products available, your eyes will certainly appreciate the inclusion of avocados in your daily food intake. The thing is, avocados are high in antioxidants, especially carotenoids called lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect our eyes against harmful blue light. A study conducted by specialists from China stated that the intake of these carotenoids is proportional to their levels in the retinas. So the more lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods you eat, the healthier your retinas will be. French and English scientists also stated that lutein and zeaxanthin reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Seriously, is there anything avocados can't do? Number 3, you'll have extra protection from cancer. The ability of avocados to give that extra bit of protection from cancer comes from the carotenoids and monounsaturated fat they contain, both of which make their own contribution to the impressive reduction of cancer, including breast cancer and prostate cancer. Numerous studies conducted by specialists all over the world showed that avocados' organic compounds cause cancerous cells to undergo apoptosis, or, to put it simply, automatic cell death. Quite a result for a simple fruit, right? Although there is still much research being conducted in the hope of determining the other cancer types avocados can help, their positive effects on the system remain undeniable. Number 2, you'll lose weight. Apart from all the other components and elements, avocados are rich in fiber, which is essential for making those unwanted pounds disappear. Fiber is incredibly filling and digests slowly. The dietary guidelines for Americans state that women should eat at least 0.8 ounces of fiber every day. An appropriate dose for men is 1.26 ounces. And the most amazing thing is that you don't have to make any other changes to your diet. The daily consumption of fiber will do the trick for you. If you want to achieve a stronger effect, eat other fiber-rich foods, such as apples, green beans, sweet potatoes, and strawberries as well. Or you can simply combine your daily avocado consumption with exercising. It's not the easiest path, true, but the final results will definitely astonish you. Number 1. Your skin will get a beautiful glow. Avocados can work their magic both from the inside and on the outside. They frequently become part of natural homemade remedies as well as expensive and luxury cosmetics. And their inside effects are truly glorious. As you already know, avocados are a great source of vitamin C and E. Vitamin C is known for its involvement in the creation of collagen and elastin, which help to maintain the skin's elasticity and firmness. Vitamin E takes it to a whole new level, reducing the damage of excessive sun exposure and counteracting aging. Avocados are also rich in omega-9 fatty acids, and they're crucial for maintaining moisture in the epidermis and regenerating epidermal cells. As a result, your skin becomes soft, and any irritations and redness are quickly reduced. So what are you waiting for? We don't know about you, but we're definitely going to pick up some avocados now. There are way too many benefits to miss out on. And what about you? Do you like avocados? How often do you eat them? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.